everyone, welcome back to class. So students, we are doing geometry chapter. Which chapter we are doing? Geometry chapter. In this chapter today we will know about solid figure. What you will know about a solid figure? What you are seeing here, that solid shapes are plane shape. Solid shapes are plane shapes with a thickness and height. With a thickness and height. This is a solid shape. Yes, it is a, what is this? This is a plane shape with thickness. Thickness is here and height is also there. Understood? What is given here? Solid shapes are plane shape with thickness or height. Understood? It is clear to you all? Now you see that solid shape may be formed from plane surface or curved surface. Now this solid shape, it may be formed by a flat surface or by a curved surface. Understood? This is also solid you are seeing. So this surface, what type of surface it is having? Curved surface. And this is also solid. Which type of surface is having this one? Plane surface. So this is said here. What is said? Here is saying that solid shapes are plane shape. Solid shapes are what type of shape it is? It is a plane shape, okay? With the thickness and height. With the thickness, you are seeing this is the solid shape. It is having thickness and also having height. And this is also which shape? Solid shape. Yes. This one also having a thickness and having a height. Understood? So what you have learned here about the solid phase? That solid phase are the plane shape with thickness or height. Understood? Now here solid shape may be formed from a plane, okay, plane surface. In this matchbox, what you are seeing? Surface is plane. Yes, everywhere it is plane. This what you are seeing, that it is also plane, okay. So it is said that the solid shape, yes, the solid shape may be formed from plane surface and curved surface. This is, what is this? This is ball. In this ball, what you are seeing, that it is a curved surface. Okay, curved surface only. Now it is clear to you all about the solid phase. Now this solid phase may be here with plane surface. Okay. Second one, solid with the curved surface. It can be curved surface. Solid with plane surface. Next one, solid with curved surface. And third one, with plane and curved surface. With plane and curved surface. So figure with plane and curved surface. Now what you are seeing, that this is a matchbox. Yes, this is a matchbox and this is a cube. Yes, this is a matchbox and this one. In both what you are seeing, that plane surface is here. Yes, this surface, which type of surface it is having? Plane surface. So number one, what I have told you about that, solid with plane surface. In this what you are seeing, this solid, it is with the plane surface. Both side it is plane. This is also solid and both side it is what? Which type? Both side it is plane. Next one, solid with a curved surface. So what is this? This is a ball. Yes, in this ball what you are seeing, this solid with a curved surface. Whole part is here curved. So you are seeing that solid with a curved surface, or bowl, you will take round bowl. That is also a solid with a curved surface. Okay. So it is clear to you all, or globe you are seeing. In globe also, globe is also solid. Which type of surface globe is having? That curved surface. Understood? Next one is here solid figure with plane and curved surface. Figure with plane and curved surface. So this one, what you are seeing? This side plane and this side it is plane and this side curved. So this is what? This is the bottle of heat. Yes. Here curved surface figure with the plane surface. Okay. So curved surface is also here and plane surface. In this cup, what you are seeing? That this one is the curved surface and this one is the plane surface. Understood? Curved surface and plane surface. So it is clear to you all that you have learned today that about a solid figure. What you have learned today about solid figure. In this figure, what you have learned that solid shape are plane. Which type of shape solid is having? Solid shapes are plane with the thickness or height. So example I have shown you, matchbox, this one in this thickness is also having, height is also having. Now next what you have seen here that solid shape may be formed by a plane surface or curved surface. So plane surface or curved surface. Understood? Solid shape may be formed by a plane surface. This one is the plane surface. Yes, this one, all these are plane surface and this is the curved surface. And next one what you are seeing that solid with a plane surface. Example that this one matchbox, solid with a plane surface. This one also you can say that solid with a plane surface, or this also what you can say that solid with a plane surface. Understood? Now next, solid with a curved surface. So globe, example of solid with a curved surface, or this ball also you can say that solid with the curved surface, or bowl, round one, that also you can say solid with the curved surface. Next one what you are seeing here that solid with the plane and curved surface. Solid with the figure with the plane and curved surface. This one, what is this? Heat bottle, curved surface and plane surface. Here also curved surface and plane surface. In this also you are seeing curved surface and plane surface. Understood? Next one is rolling and sliding object. Rolling and sliding object. So this ball, which type of object this is? Rolling, it can roll. Understood? Ball is a rolling object. And this one, which type of object? This one, sliding object. Yes, it can slide like this way. This one also sliding object. And some object can be rolling, some object can be sliding, or some object can be rolling as well as sliding. So in this object what you are seeing, this portion is flat, so sliding you can do with this portion, and here it is curved, so rolling can done with this surface. Understood? In this also what you are seeing, here flat, so sliding can done, and here curve, so rolling can done. Understood? It is clear to you all. Rolling and what is the difference between rolling and sliding object? So some objects are rolling, some objects are sliding, and some object what they are having, both they are having that rolling and also sliding. It is clear? So you have learned about solid figure, and you have also know about that some object are rolling and sliding object. Example of rolling object, you can say ball is the rolling object. Sliding object, you can say that attache or trunk, square trunk, that is the sliding object. And rolling and sliding object, you can say this gamla, this is a rolling and sliding object, and this also you can say the rolling and sliding object. Okay, today this much only, and next day I will continue with other topic. Okay, thank you to everyone.